a little bit different. So it's kind of a chit chat get ready with me. So I'm going to be doing my everyday glam makeup and chatting. So to get started, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I've been getting a lot of questions over my time of being on YouTube and Instagram and stuff. So I announced the giveaway. Congratulations to Jenna and Rudy. I will be holding even more giveaways. I'm having another one when I hit 1,000 on Instagram. And stay tuned for that one. It will be even bigger. So I'm excited for that one. I will be holding giveaways so often because they're just, I find them so much fun. So stay tuned for all of those. So now I'm going in with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And I use this in porcelain. So a lot of the questions is, will I do a zombie Freaky Friday? And yes, I will be doing a zombie Freaky Friday this Friday coming up. So I believe that is the 20th or the 21st. This Friday is the 21st. So I will be doing a Freaky Friday this Friday. Obviously, I'll be doing the zombies. So if you are interested in learning about zombies and where they came from and watching me do zombie makeup, I don't know if I'm going to do like zombie makeup as in like the dead kind of zombie or if I'm going to do like a body paint zombie. Haven't decided yet, but it will be one of those. Question is, do I have any beef with brands or other YouTubers? I don't have any beef with other YouTubers and I don't have beef with brands. But there are some YouTubers and there are some brands that I just don't necessarily agree with what they're doing or how they handle their products, handle their hate, like all those things. There's just some brands and people I don't agree with how they're acting or how they handle things, but I don't have any personal beef with them. I don't have any personal drama. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I use this in light peach. I don't want to add too much of this since it is very full coverage, as I add a lot on. And then just on my blemishes where I'm more insecure with my face, which is, and then just for a little bit of extra coverage for days where I'm breaking out a little bit more, I use the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. I don't know what shade this is, but I just add teeny tiny bit. So a little goes a long way with this stuff. So now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of my Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in Fair. I'm just going to set my face. So another question I get is about my brand. So I have a business, it is a small business, and it's actually working out pretty well, which I'm very surprised about. Very surprised about it, but very blessed about it. And I sell the lashes, lip scrubs, earrings, and glitters and pigments. And I'm going to be adding some more products soon. Just, I'm always going to be expanding, and that's like the best thing. And I'm opening a Etsy soon. it went from wanting to own a farm, a restaurant on a farm, a pet store, on a farm, all those things, and then I found my love of makeup. And I've always loved makeup, I've always played with makeup, but I didn't love it like I love it now. So then I found my love for makeup that I love now, and I decided I wanted to have a cosmetic line, and I wanted that for a while. And then I just decided to give it a shot. So I ordered off the vendor, I designed the lashes, I designed the packaging, everything that came with it, and then I sent it off to a vendor to have them professionally made so that they are strong and actually good quality, and they don't break, and they're just really good quality lashes that I did design. And then once I got them, I was very happy with how they turned out. I was so happy with my designs and everything, and I sold them, and it went really well. So then I made the glitters and pigments. I put all the ingredients together to make them, and those sold too. And then I made the lip scrubs from a recipe that my friends then I made the lip scrubs from my old recipe, and those also are selling good, so yeah, I'm pretty good. And honestly, like, it's something that I wanted to do for so long, and it only took some courage and just jumping in and starting. And I was so nervous because I spent a lot of money on packaging and promoting and all this stuff, and I was so nervous that it would just fail. And it still might, you never know, like, but I am very happy that I started it and that I'm doing this, and hopefully it'll grow. So now I'm just using my Q.O. bronzer. This is the Mega Bronzer. So my most requested question, I believe, would probably be what motivates you to do what I do. So what motivates me is obviously the people who watch me. I am very appreciative of those people, of you guys and my Instagram followers, and people around me who support me. Anybody who supports me, I am very appreciative, and the more support I get and the more love and the nice comments and all that really motivates me to continue doing what I do. And I love the progress. I really love progress. So I love looking back at old pictures and seeing that I've improved in makeup, because I very much have improved, and I know there's still so much more room for improving, and I know that I will improve one day. And I'm excited to see where I can get to, and that I'll always be learning new things. And makeup is my therapy, as Nikki Tutorial said. It is therapy for me. And I love all the opportunities that come with it, and being able to work with brands or meet new people. I have so many friends in the industry that I would not have met if I didn't do this job, and I'm very lucky to have them. They're very sweet people, and some of them are my closest friends, so yeah. So now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is in Pearlescent Pink. So now I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Wet n Wild Make a Glow highlight, and this is in Blossom Glow. And I'll be adding a little bit of the e.l.f. highlight with that. So another one of my most requested questions, I feel, is what my plans are and what I hope my life ends up like. So I really hope that YouTube works out and I can have this as a job, because I really enjoy doing it. I really enjoy talking to you guys and filming these videos, and I just really want this to be my job. It's not about the money, it's just I really love playing with makeup. I really love filming and making these videos and looking back on them, and I love interacting with all of you. And we just hit 100 subscribers, so I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much for that. And so my goal is to have this as my job, as I said 3 times, and I also want to be either a dermatologist or a esthetician. I haven't decided which one yet. I am interested in both, which is why it's kind of a hard decision because of how I'm interested in both. I really want to do both. I'm leaning more towards esthetician as I really like skincare, but I don't know yet. So one of those I'm going to hopefully decide soon, but those are the 2 things that I'm really thinking about. And then I really want to, you know, make a name for myself on social media, and yeah, just so my goals are to make a name for myself on social media and have YouTube as my job. And then for my career, I really want to be either a dermatologist or esthetician. So my plan is to, since I graduated, I'm 17 and I did graduate 2 months ago, I'm taking a gap year. So I'm going to just be working. I'm looking for a job right now. But I'm working full-time on social media, trying to get my name for myself, like I said, and it's been really hard. And then I've been doing the business, but I am looking for a job just for extra money coming in, and then taking my gap year. And then once my gap year is over and I know exactly what I want to do and I have a good amount of money saved, I want to do business college, so I'm going to be doing that for about a year or 2, and then I'm going to probably I'm hoping to move to Vancouver and do John Casablanca for a makeup school. That's about a year, and to be certified in makeup. I am already certified in makeup as I did the online makeup academy that does certify you, but that was online, and you can always learn new things, so I just want to do that. That's always been a dream of mine to go to that school, and then I'll be going to the dermatologist or esthetician school. So that's my plan and my goals. Yeah. Another question is if I'm still with my boyfriend. I am. We've been together for 2 years and a month now, and our 11 years of knowing each other is coming up, and we are still together. We're going strong, going great, and I'm really happy. Just taking my e.l.f. liquid black liner and creating a wing. So now that I got my eyeliner on, I'm going to be putting on my lashes from my lash brand. These are in shade Zodiac. So I'm going to apply that and be right back. Okay, so now that we get the lashes back on, I'm going to answer another question. So another question that I got was Halloween. So Halloween, I'm going to be doing a lot of looks. I'm going to be doing 31 days of Halloween. So for Halloween, I'm going to be doing the 31 days of Halloween, where every single day I'm going to be posting a YouTube video, a TikTok, and an Instagram of a Halloween look. So it could either be like a fun, easy makeup look to go for Halloween, or I'm going to do a detailed, scary look, or just turning myself into different characters for 31 days straight, from October 1st to October 31st. And Halloween is my favorite time of the year. It's my favorite season. It's my favorite holiday. I love it so much, and yeah. So comment down below. I've also got a lot of questions of like decorating on a budget, and like how to turn your room into like this really cool thing on a budget. So I think I might do that. Or I'm gonna do like lots of different crafts too. So just stay tuned for that. And yeah. So I might change up a bit. So like if I do like the 31 days, so I might do like a different look on my TikTok than I do on my YouTube. So make sure you follow my TikTok and my Instagram to see those different looks. Yeah. I'm adding the Jeffree Star Floral Liquid Lipstick in Doll Parts. So now I'm just going to be taking this ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette that I've had for a really long time. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this shade and a little bit of this shade. This is Zero Clue and Girlfriend. Inner corner. I'm just going to set it all in place using my Morphe X Jeffree Star, and this is the Starberry setting spray. It smells like strawberries. And that is it for this Get Ready With Me. Answer some questions that have been my most viewed questions right now. And if you have any more questions, please ask them, and I will try to get back to them either in a video like this or on my Instagram or TikTok. And yeah, if you'd like to follow me on my other social medias, my Instagram is mbk_beauty_, and my TikTok is mbk_beauty. And if you really want to check out my brand, my Instagram, my brand is _cosmetics, and I will be opening an Etsy really soon. So stay tuned for that, and comment down below what video ideas you think I should do and what videos you want to see in October, because I'm going to start filming those soon so I can keep them up for October. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this answered a few of your questions. So thanks for watching. Bye.